Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Okay. Good day everyone. Welcome to another video dito sa Man Cannot Ride. Yung mga mahihilig sa sports bikes, karamihan sa kanila into sports bikes dahil ang sports bikes ay ego boosters. Dagdag angas, dagdag yabang lang. Halayaan yung paliwanag ko. Okay? Karamihan sa mga bumibili ng mga subsob na motorsiklo ay nagrereklamo ng masakit na likod, masakit na balikat, masakit na braso, masakit yung kamay, tsaka yung wrist. Dahil daw sa kanilang riding position. Now, pasensya na, wala akong sports bike. Pero kita nyo naman sa ginagawa ko ngayon, I am mimicking o ginagaya ko yung riding position ng isang sports bike. So this is the 2021 Yamaha XSR 900. At kung ito ay sabihin natin yung R1 or yung R6, ang riding position nito ay nandito. Okay? Nandito yung clip-ons. Baka nga mas mababa pa kasi nakapag-ride na ako ng R6. Nandito yun. Ayan. Now, yung mga nagre-reklamo ng masakit ang kasukasuan at masakit ang katawan, dahil hindi talaga nila naiintindihan kung paano i-ride ng maayos ang isang sports bike. Dahil yun nga, bumili lang sila ng sport bike para lang may maipagyabang. Here are the tips na pwede kong i-share sa inyo on how to ride sports bikes na walang sakit ng katawan. Number 1, you start with your hands. Gentle grip on the bars. Yung clip-ons. Yung wrist natin, it should be flexible, it should be movable. Gentle lang siya because we need to use throttle control, trail braking, clutch modulation. Relax lang natin to. The forearm, to, it should drop. Ayan. Level dun sa tangke. Or level to the ground. Parallel to the ground. Ayan. So that means we have to bend our elbows. Bend our elbows. At para mas maging komportable to, we should loosen our arms. When we loosen our arms, we loosen our shoulders, we can straighten the back. Yan. And then, yung ating ulo at saka yung ating helmet, yun na lang yung babaguhin natin. If you are in the city, just cruising, as kapag nasa highway ka na at medyo kailangan mo na mag-tuck in, lalagay mo yung chin ng helmet mo dun sa provision sa tangke kasi meron dong space kalimitan, and that's it. Do the chicken wings. Kung kaya mo mag chicken wings nang hindi naapektuhan yung steering, that means you have a relaxed grip on the bar, loose arms, hindi sasakit ang katawan mo. Wala ba kayo napansin? Wala ba kayo napansin sa ginawa ko? Malamang wala. Okay. Ginawa ko lahat yung demo na yan and I can do this all day. I can do this position all day. Kahit wala yung clip-ons mismo. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Kahit wala yung mismong clip-ons, I can do this position freely. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko kinakailangang tumukod dun sa clip-ons. Kasi yun ang problema ng sa mga nagra-ride ng sports bike. Ang posisyon nila ay laging ganito. Ayan, mababa pa nga dapat yan. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit nananakit ang katawan ng mga sports bike riders. Kasi yung pressure nakatuon doon sa clip-ons. Yung lahat ng pressure na yan Dito, 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 hanggang dito. Ayan na, ramdam ko na ngayon, no? 30 seconds pa lang, masakit na katawan ko. What more kung long ride yan? Ngayon, kung long ride yan, at ganito ang posisyon, wala na akong hinahawakan eh. I don't need to put pressure on the bar. I can just put my hands on top of the clip-ons, and I can do my control, do my counter steering, do my trail braking, do my throttle control in this position all day. May magsasabi na, mukha naman tanga yan eh. Ang tanong ko, ba't bumili ka ng sports bike? Tapos sasabihin mo mukhang tanga pag if you're riding it properly. O di wag kang bumili ng sports bike. This is the proper way of riding a sports bike para makaiwas sa sakit ng katawan. And as you can see, sino ba naman ako? I'm nobody. Pero I can do this position all day na walang nananakit sa katawan ko. If I go to the wrong position, 5 seconds pa lang masakit na yung masakit na. Ramdam ko yung force, oh. Ramdam ko para ako na-outbalance ako. Hindi ako masakit na agad. But if I go to the right position, to the proper position, kahit mag 1,000 laps pa tayo sa BRC nito or sa Clark International Speedway, kahit pa long ride to. Now, ano yung technique? Kasi may technique yan. Ang technique dyan, napakasimple. Sana okay lang yung sana maapula agad yung sunog na yun. Okay, here's the technique. Ang technique dyan, since sports bike is more for sporty riding, ibig sabihin, bumili ka ng sports bike dahil gusto mong matuto ng sports riding, and of course, you want to do that on the racetrack, which means you want to be competitive, which means you have to have skills. Okay? So yung proper riding position ng sports bike requires skills and fitness. Ang technique dito on how to do what I did is to engage your core. Engage your core. Another thing is grip the tank with your feet, with your thigh, and then put the weight on your feet, dun sa ball of your feet, on the foot pegs. Of course, hindi mo pwedeng gawin yun all throughout riding because you need to use the brakes, you need to use the shifter, you need to move around a bit on top of the bike. So that means magsi-shift pa rin yung weight saka yung pressure. But the main thing is you have to engage your core and your lower body to give you the stability. Ito yung magpo-provide ng stability. I can do this all day na hindi na nakita ang katawan ko. Now, the pressure nandito sa lower body, ito. Pero that's okay because if I'm gonna go use the brakes, isi-shift ko lang yung weight dito na sa puwet, then I can use the brakes. I can do that with the shifter. If I'm gonna be cornering, I can shift my weight to the butt para maging stable pa rin ako, and I can do it without hands. Hindi ko kailangan tumukod. I can go lower. I can do this all day. Natatakot lang ako matumba yung motor kasi hindi sa akin tong motor. Tsaka yung stand, baka bumigay. But that's the key. Kung mahilig ka sa sports bike, kung gusto mo mag-ride ng sports bike, I mean, make sure that you have the correct mindset na you are going to ride sporty. Wala akong masabi. But anyway, here's the proper position again para hindi manakit ang katawan mo kapag naka-sports bike ka. Ito yung before, ito ka dati, ito yung sanhi ng lahat ng sakit, and this is the proper way. Thank you so much for watching.